Hey you guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. So I'm gonna be mixing this together, and when you are done using this, when you see your skin the next day, you're gonna look for me, you're gonna come back to this channel and you're gonna pour out your heart, because you alone know how your skin is gonna be. So if you've actually been complaining, wondering, looking for solutions here and there, on how to keep your skin looking good, keep your skin looking very healthy, keep your skin looking wrinkle free and fine lines free, you're at the right video, because I'm going to be showing you this very natural remedy that will help you a whole lot. It helps you to keep your skin looking so young. Like, you're going to be surprised at how this is going to remove all of those age related problems. All right, sometimes we ladies, we get tired, we get very lazy to scrub, to clean, and also to hydrate our skin. So that's why I've actually come up with this simple ingredient to help you. At least, even if you scrub this, even if you scrub it once in a week, you're gonna notice, you're gonna just come back and tell me how it's gonna be. Okay, so but I will encourage you, just watch the video to the very end. You're gonna see all of the amazing ingredients that I'm gonna be using, and how these ingredients will help you a whole lot to transform you. So let me take you right into this video. Alright you guys, so my very first ingredient for this is green tea. Now, do you know that green tea contains anti-aging property that helps to increase the elasticity on your skin, and it contains vitamin E that helps to reduce the appearances of wrinkles and fine lines on your skin. So when you use green tea this way that I'm going to be showing you, you're going to actually be shocked. Like, the next day you're going to see your skin, you're going to be shocked at how this is going to work well for you. Yeah, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut the green tea just like what you see me do here, and then you're gonna turn it inside your bowl. And then we're gonna be making use of yogurt, yeah, for this particular ingredient. Now, yogurt contains a whopping amount of lactic acids. Now, this acid is actually what the skin wants to maintain its elasticity. Yeah, so it helps you to renew your skin. That's if you're having dead skin cells, it helps you to gradually and gently remove those dead skin cells, leaving your skin so young, leaving your skin so renewed. Alright, so you mix it up just like this, and then you need a little bit of bicarbonate of soda. Now, baking soda is one amazing and one powerful ingredient that helps to retain your skin by scrubbing out the dead skin cells on your skin, therefore leaving your skin renewed and younger. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting just a little of my baking soda into this. Just a little quantity is enough, and then you give it a fine good stir. When you mix baking soda with yogurt, it creates that reaction. It makes the ingredients swell. Yeah. So the very next ingredients we're going to be making use of is rice. Now, do you know that rice contains a whitening property that helps to renew your skin, therefore removing dead skin cells? Rice has actually been used anciently for beauty, purposes. It helps to smoothen out the skin. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go wash the rice, boil it and blend it, and I'll come back with a rice. So here we go, you guys. So this is my rice, my blended rice. I'm gonna be scooping in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of it, into this bowl, and then I'm gonna refrigerate this particular one. Alright, you guys, so this is set, and the very next ingredient which we're going to be needing, I'm actually showing you this. This is basically milk, pig milk. Yeah, you're going to be taking just a little quantity of your milk, just like this. And then you're going to be putting it into the mixture, and then you stir it very, very well. Just like that. All right, so alright, so I'm gonna go apply this, and you're gonna see the magic happen on my face. Let's go. But before that, I would love to refrigerate this, because I love to refrigerate all of the ingredients that I use, especially when I want to apply it on my face. Okay, so this is my green tea mixture. Now I know some of you guys have actually been concerned about me mixing a particular remedy, and when I want to apply it, the color changes. Look, at the color will not change at the down part, but since I actually refrigerated it, the color will change because I did not cover it at the up. But when I mix it up, just like using my brush or whatsoever, you see that? So that's the same color. Alright, so this is my green tea mix. Alright, and yeah, oh my goodness, I forgot. Now, before you apply your treatment on your skin, you have to dab your face. Okay, dab your face with water. That will enable the treatment to actually get into your skin, into your face really, really fast. But if you're applying it on a dry skin, just like mine right now, then you're going to be waiting for a little while, for the ingredients to actually set into the skin. Okay, so that's just the difference, right? So I'm going to be applying this generously onto my face, Oopsie. Alright guys, so when you're done applying just like this, then the very next thing you're gonna do is to give it this. Oh my goodness, this feels so smooth on my face. Just to give it a little massage here and there. As you massage, this is going to get into your skin, you guys. It's gonna do wonders on your skin. It's gonna do wonders. You see how it is? I love this. I love this, you guys. This is amazing. Yeah. See, when you're using natural ingredients like this, you are never going to go wrong. Like, nobody is gonna catch you looking rough. Nobody is gonna catch you looking so rough. Yeah. Alright, so after that, then you have to wait for a little while, and then you wash it off. Wait for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you then wash it off. Okay, that will help to set into your skin, and it does a whole lot of stuff. So I'm gonna be waiting, and then I'm gonna go wash my face off. But before that, let me clean a particular part and show you how it is. See the place? You see that place? Oh my goodness, like, you see that smoothness? That is what I'm talking about. You see that smoothness? That is what I'm here for. Go try it. So that's it, you guys. You've actually seen me use it, and I love it. Like, anytime I use natural ingredients like this, I love it a whole lot because it keeps my skin looking so uniform, looking so good, looking so healthy. It makes me love myself the more. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to use this and begin to love yourself the more, because I know some people actually tend to hate the way their skin is looking, not because they are not beautiful, but when your skin looks some type of way, you're gonna be like, what the heck is really happening? Like, I really do not actually like the way my skin is looking. So that's why I have come here to end your sorrow. So that's it. Go give this a go, and you're gonna love it. I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and smash that share button. Bye guys.